Good morning, children. I, Mrs. S. Ojha. In previous class, you had studied about Introduction to Photoshop CS6. In this class, I am going to explain you some advanced feature about the Photoshop like image retouching tools, layers and filtering. So let's see. Chapter 3 Photoshop CS6 Advanced. In this chapter, we are going to discussing about some retouching tool. These are clone stamp tool, pattern stamp tool, healing brush tool, patch tool, color replacement tool. It is also shows by the toolbox. Healing brush tool. Healing brush tool is used to remove dust mark and scratches from the photograph. The healing brush tool is found at the same position on the tool bar, but it is used to repair area of photograph that are larger than the typical scratch. Basically, healing brush tool is used to heal the image, means recovery the damaged portion of image. Let's see how to apply healing brush tool. Step 1. In the toolbox, select the healing brush tool. Set the brush size and style in the option bar. Next, press Alt key and click on the image to define a sampling point. Drag mouse on the area where you want to use the healing brush tool. Your image recover with the healing brush tool. See the picture figure 1 and figure 2. In figure 1, it is the before using healing brush tool, and in a figure 2 after using the healing brush tool. Next is patch tool. The patch tool repairs an area with pixels copied from another area or image. Like healing brush, the patch take into account the texture, luminance and shadows of the background image. Steps to apply patch tool. First, open the required image and select the patch tool from the tool bar. Select source in patch option. Select the area with the patch tool. Drag the selected area to the patch tool. Apply. Press Ctrl D to remove the selection. Now the patch is applied on the selected area of the image. There are two pictures here, third and fourth. In a third picture, here we are not using patch tool. This is the damaged area, and in picture 4 we are using patch tool with the copying pixels from third image into fourth image. Clone stamp tool. By the clone stamp tool, you just create clone of an original image. In this picture, first picture, there is one baby, and in a second picture there are 3 babies. So this is made by the using clone stamp tool. The clone stamp tool is used to create a copy of selected area. It is used to copy portion of a layer from one area to another area. So how to do? Let's see. Open an image. Second, the clone stamp tool from the toolbar. Third, in the option bar, set the brush size and hardness. Hold down Alt key and mouse click on the area image which you want to copy. Release the Alt key. Move the cursor to the location where you want to copy the fragment. Drag and draw the left mouse button and clone it will be applied. Next, eraser tool. Eraser tool is just like eraser. Is used to erase any part of an image. You can resize the eraser to use it efficiently. Let's take the step 1. In the tool box, select the eraser tool. Second, choose brush size and style in option bar. Third, click and drag mouse on the area of the image to be erased. Next is blur tool. Blur tool is used to selectively blur areas of an image. In first picture, there is not applied the blur tool. In second picture, blur tool apply on the cat's face. So second picture, cat's face looks blur. See the step. The step to use blur tool are: select the blur tool from the toolbox, choose brush size and style from option bar, set the tool's strength and click and drag the mouse on the image. Next tool is dodge tool. If you want to give lighten effect on your image, then you can use dodge tool. The dodge tool is used to lighten the dark areas, highlights to apply and exposure values. Steps: select the dodge tool from the toolbox, choose brush size and hardness. In the option bar, set exposure. By default 50% is the exposure of dodge tool. Try a lower value with a soft edge brush for a in the option bar. Click and drag the mouse on the image. Second cat is dodged by the dodge tool. Next topic is working with layer. In Photoshop, here a very important feature provided by the Photoshop is a layer. By the layer, you can do individually editing in different pictures. You can insert number of layers and also delete the layer, copy the layer, rename the layer, and all the layer provide individual editing facility. Each layer operates independently with its own content. First is creating layer, second is deleting layer. For creating layer, go on a layer menu, select new, then layer, or you can press shift control and together, or you can press alt create a new layer on the layer palette. Then layer palette provide the new layer dialog box. Give the name of layer and choose the color if you want, mode of the layer, and click on OK button. You can also delete layer from right click on the layer, and there is a delete option. You can left click on the delete option, or you can also click on delete button. Filter provide the facility to give different kinds of effect like distort, noise, render, sharpen, stylish, video, others. So filter is a very important tool in the Photoshop, and you can change your image by using filter tool. The steps to apply a filter are: select the area and complete the layer to be filtered. Click on the filtered menu and select any option. In a dialog box opens, enter a value or select option and then click on OK button. That's it for the day, children. Third chapter completed here. That's it. I am attaching a PDF file with this video. You will do all the PDF work in your fair copy with very neatly. Have a nice day. Thank you.